Dr. Kavorse's office. Well, what's wrong with you? Well, I need to know what's wrong with you in order to see the doctor. You're not gonna tell me? Well, then you can't see the doctor. Sorry. Bye, bye, bye. Good morning, Dr. Kavorse's office. Hello, Mrs. Davenport. How are you? Hello, Mrs. Davenport. Your results came back today. I have them here, Mrs. Davenport. And now at last, I think that I can safely say, good news, Mrs. Davenport. You're healing very well. You've got no cause to sing the blues, Mrs. Davenport. As far as I can tell, you might want to spend this week in bed and pray those hideous hives don't spread. That said, Mrs. Davenport, you're healing very well for someone very ill. Good news, right now you're still alive. Less good news, you're healthy as a horse. But horses die at 25. Don't cry, Mrs. Davenport. Preserve your peace of mind. It helps to keep your spirits high, Mrs. Davenport, as you're slowly going blind. Your life will be looking far less bleak when loss of memory hits next week. Don't speak, Mrs. Davenport. Preserve your peace of mind. Unless, of course, it hurts. Good news. My dear Mrs. Davenport, at least you're looking thin. In time your face will disappear, Mrs. Davenport. And by face I mean your skin. You might want to try and dry those tears. They look so weird coming out your ears. 3 cheers, Mrs. Davenport. At least you're looking thin. It's probably from the worms. Good news. This morning you awoke. I mean, that is really good news. Less good news. Your nose is looking great in photos. Back before it broke. No joke, Mrs. Davenport. This torture's bound to pass. I say you're steady as an oak, Mrs. Davenport. An oak is made of glass. I know it's a challenge acting right when things are feeling wrong. Good news, Mrs. Davenport. I doubt you'll suffer long. Good news, Mrs. Davenport. Mrs. Davenport? Oh, crap. Oh, yes, please, Kelly. I wanted a hot chocolate latte with extra sprinkles on it. And one of those cakes that Mrs. Davenport made before she, you know, died. Hey, Kelly, speaking about dead people, did I ever tell you the time I came out to my dad? It's a cracker, you're just gonna die. So, I started off down here. Today's the day your son becomes a man, Papa. Today he joins the mate and joins the clan, Papa. Well, that's what you'd expect from any son that walks erect. Well, I'm sorry, but I've got a different plan, Papa. I'm not like the other cavemen. Mother Nature's gave them men and brains, but for most of us it's all in vain. They got no reason or rhyme. Undeniably, I'm way ahead my time. Remember when they took me hunting for mastodons? How at first I nearly fainted. fainted. Then I hurried home, painted. People saw my sketching on the wall and they passed it on. Cause it was plastered on the wall for the glory of us all. With a spear in hand, I feel I'm ineffectual. Well, I just might be the world's most homesick young who's an intellectual. I'm not like the other cavemen or the gruffest games man I meet. Like to hunt and grunt and eat raw meat. They got no reason or rhyme. Undeniably, I'm way ahead of my time. Come on now. I'm not like the other cavemen. Vicious and a brave man, no doubt, but that kind that I can do without. Yeah, got no reason or rhyme. Undeniably, I'm gonna have to say, can you see that I'm way ahead of my time? Yeah. Good night, Dr. Cross. There's only ever been one man in my life, and he doesn't love me. Never have, and never will. But I know that one day, he will be mine. When I said I would love you forever, I meant forever. When I said I would never leave you, I really meant it. My love is true, my love is strong, my love for you, I dedicate this song. I realize that things have changed. I know my heart's been rearranged. And if you don't love me anymore, then I'm gonna camp outside your door. 'Cause I'm a stalker, I want to follow you. I'm a stalker, I can't believe we're through. All I ask is for one more try. I realize I'm a screwed up guy, but hey, I'm back in therapy, 'cause that's what you mean to me. It's okay if you don't want to meet. I'll watch you from across my street. Ignore me. It's fine, okay? I'll just call your voicemail 3 times a day. Hello? I know you're there. Pick up. Pick up, pick up, pick up. Okay, then I'll say it anyway. I love you. I love you, I love you, I love you. I could do this all night. 'Cause I'm a stalker. I'm waiting at your door. I'm a stalker. Boom. Okay, I'm changing therapists. The scars are fading on my wrist. Yes, I'm a really special guy, 'cause I'll love you until I die. Hey! The thought of you excites me, thrills me and delights me. You don't know what you're missing. You bitch, why won't you listen? Whoops. Came out wrong. And just a bit too strong. There's an explanation. I've stopped my medication. Losing all control and slipping down the hole. And now I'm being led by the voices in my head. Shut up! I'm right behind the door. And on the 2nd floor, I'm hiding in the hall. And in the shower stall, I'm gonna always find you. Ha-ha! I'm right behind you. Soon you gotta learn, I'm everywhere you turn. Oh my God, I'm kidding. I swear, I'm kidding. I was only fooling. Excuse me, please. I'm drooling. Oh well, I can live with my sorrow, 'cause I'll do all of this again tomorrow.